Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So we have Train here, the song called AM Gold. This one is very simple to play, so it's nice to bring up sometimes a little bit challenging songs, and sometimes like this one, very easy. So we don't need any capo for this one, and it's fun to play. It's a bit kind of a party upbeat song. So let's start right away with the chords. We have 4 different chords that goes in the same order through the entire song. So the first one is A, and we're gonna play all these chords with bar chords. So A is here on the 5th fret. You need to bar all strings, and the rest will be 7th on A, 7th on D, and 6 on G. All right. The next chord will be B. So you just move the same grip 2 frets up. So you land here with your bar on the 7th fret. And the rest will be 9 here on A string, 9 on D, and 8 on G. So there's your B. Then we have the G sharp minor. You go down here and bar the 4th fret now, all strings. And the rest will be 6 on A and 6 on D. And the final chord is the C sharp minor. You still bar this 4th fret, this time only from A string and down, so 5 strings. And the rest will be 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. So that's the C sharp minor. All right, so it's very easy. When you play the verse play, you just do 1 downstroke for each chord. The same chord progression like we just learned the chords. So A, B, G sharp minor, and C sharp minor. Right? 1 down. And when the chorus play comes, you're gonna learn this new strumming pattern. Very easy. It will be down up, down up, down up, down up. So that is 1 round. And yeah, down up, down up, down up, down up. You want to emphasize the 2nd down and the 4th down. So if you grab here an A chord here, we're gonna illustrate the strumming with that one. So it's down up, down up, down up, down up. Okay, so like this. Down up, down up. So you emphasize the down, up, this one, and then the 4th one. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So if you think of that as 1 chord progression, you're gonna play 1 strumming round for each chord, and that goes round and round with the same chords there as well. So just a tip here, technical stuff. If you wanna emphasize something, it's easier if you just make shorter downs and ups on the rest, and the one you want to emphasize, you make a larger downstroke. In that way you will emphasize that one. So chew on the strings more on the downs and ups, the other ones, and the ones, the 2nd and the 4th down you want to emphasize, make a real downstroke. So yeah, so good luck with this one, guys. Train AM Gold. See you soon, and don't forget, play tuned.